Good day, ma'am. I am Donna May Torres Havana from Valentino La Paz, Agusan del Sur. I am 18 years old. My course is Retail Ed Industrial Arts. I am Section A. I understand about the ICT hardware components. Computer hardware comprises the physical components that make up a computer system. Input devices allow users to interact while output devices display results. The CPU, the system's brain, handles general tasks, while the GPU specializes in visual processing. Storage options include HDDs and SSDs, with SSDs offering faster performance. USB drives provide portable storage, while Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enable wireless communication. The motherboard connects all components and facilitates communication between them. Choosing the right hardware is crucial for optimizing a computer's performance based on specific needs. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.